Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Sarosh and I'm a foundation level student at Rehan School F at Campus Islamabad, and today I am doing my a short documentary review, and my topic is Tech for Good Innovations That Change Lives. Today we are going to explore an inspiring topic called Tech for Good Innovations That Changes Life. Technology is all around us. We use it to communicate, learn, work, shop, and travel, but technology is much more than smartphones and computers. When used wisely, it can solve problems, improve lives, and create a better future for everyone. It is in this documentary we will discover how technologies is making a positive difference in the world. One of the greatest benefits of technology is in healthcare. Modern medical devices help doctors detect diseases earlier and treat patients more effectively. Advanced machine can scan the human body, monitor her heart health, and assist during surgeries. Telemedicine allows people to talk to doctors through video calls, making healthcare more accessible, especially for those living in remote areas. Artificial intelligence or AI also helping doctors analyze medical data, identify diseases faster, and recommended better treatment. These innovations are helping small million of save million of lives around the world. Today, students are attend online class, watch education videos, read digital books, and practice new skills from anywhere in the world. Educational apps and learning platforms make education more attractive and enjoyable. Artificial intelligence are also provide personalized learning, helping students learn at their own pace. Technology has more education, more accessible, giving millions of people the opportunity to learn with new subjects and improve their future. So during natural disasters, emergency terms use drones, satellite maps, and communication system to find people quickly and deliver supplies. Mobile banking allows people without traditional banks to send and receive money safely. Technology are help people with disabilities through tools like screen readers, voice assistant, hearing devices, and smart wheelchairs, allowing them to live more independently. These innovations more communicate stronger and more connected. So technology is not about machines or communicate. It is about improving life, solve problem, and creating opportunity for everyone. And when innovation is guided by kindness, responsibility, and a desire to help others, it has a power to change the world. Together, we can use technology to build healthy and communicate communities, protect our environment, improve education, and create a brighter future for the next generation. Thank you so much for watching Tech for Good Innovation that changes lives. So, viewers, this is my short documentary. Hope you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.